Here's how to get free traffic from online videos. Why is online video important? Because videos get watched a lot on YouTube and other video sites. Because videos get searched for by keyword. Because videos rank in Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Videos get you free traffic simply for making, posting, and optimizing them one single time. How much traffic is out there for videos? How about this? YouTube gets over 1 billion unique users per month. A lot of those people are there every single day. They watch billions of videos each day. They watch hundreds of millions of hours of videos each day. And even though half the visitors are from mobile devices, even those users average over 40 minutes of viewing time per visit. On top of all that, YouTube is the second most used search engine, period. That means the hierarchy of search engines is Google, YouTube, and everybody else. Yahoo, Bing, everybody else is below YouTube. When you add a video to YouTube and describe it with targeted keywords, you open up a world of possibilities for getting hordes of free traffic. I'll give you some strategies to get the most rankings and free traffic from videos in a few minutes, but first, I want to address the challenge that most people face. We hear this over and over and over again. I don't know how to make a video. I don't know how to post it online. I don't know, I can't, I won't, whatever. Or it takes me forever to make a video, and anyway, it sucks, so I'm ashamed to have anyone see it. We feel your pain. So we created Video Firestorm. Video Firestorm is the easiest way to create great-looking videos that you'll ever find. All you need to supply is simply the text you want to have in the video. Video Firestorm can not only turn that text into a great-looking video, you can even have our automated system add a voiceover with your text. After our server creates your video, you can use the system to upload the video to YouTube and other sites without ever touching the video yourself. Let me show you just how easy this is, and then I'll share how to get your videos ranked. So now we've solved the problem of how you're going to make videos. Let's move on to how to get free traffic from videos. Like anything related to ranking and getting free traffic, you need to target the right keywords. You want to target keywords that have a decent amount of searches per month, but are not the top searched keywords where the competition is insane. For example, we'd all love to be number one on Google and YouTube for weight loss, but you'd be fighting billion-dollar companies for that position. They have way more money and personnel to fight for that ranking than you probably do and maybe than you ever will. But if you target something like weight loss for men over 40 or a similar, more specific keyword phrase like that, the competition level drops way, way down. So your chances of ranking quickly and easily go way, way up. Plus, a more specific term like this will get you prospects that are much more likely to take action than someone searching a broader, more generic term. The minimum monthly search count you want to see for a term is 300 to 500 searches for Google. Now, to get that count, you can look in Google's ad planning tool, or you can use the Webfire keyword tool. Either way, just look for at least that number of searches. When you do, you'll know that that number means it's reasonable that YouTube will also have a good number of searches every month that you can tap into. And remember, put this video up once and it can be searched and found for months, years to come. You'll notice a lot of videos that you see ranked have been up there for years and getting free traffic and tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions of views, all free for a very, very long time. One-time work, lots of results. As I mentioned earlier, posting a video to YouTube gives you access to rankings and traffic from them, as well as Google and potentially the other search engines. But there's a difference between the two sets of search results, between what YouTube shows and what Google shows. YouTube searches will always show you video results. But Google doesn't always show videos, even when they do exist for the keywords that are searched. To find out if Google is showing video results for the keywords you want to target, simply search them in Google. I know it sounds too easy, but if you see results like this with video images, then you know Google considers this to be a video keyword. Google will usually show video results for keywords that are like how-to, reviews, tutorials, fitness and sports related, anything with action, and funny videos because, of course, cute cats rock. The keywords you choose are especially important for YouTube because YouTube doesn't know exactly what's in your video. Instead, YouTube relies on your title, your description, and your keyword tags. Google initially relies on that information as well, but then will give credence to the backlinks to the video itself to further determine its relevance. Once your video is made, you'll want to upload it to YouTube and the other top video sites. Once you've done your research on which keyword you want to target, here's how to best set up your video post. This is the interface on YouTube and what it would look like if you're going to enter your information. You can see right here, the part I've circled would be the actual video title. I'll explain that in a minute. If you're using the Webfire interface to do all your posting up to YouTube, then you wouldn't even see this on YouTube. You'd just be using the very similar interface that's on Webfire itself. So the first thing is the video file name. If you control the name of the file, then you want to name it exactly like the keyword you want to target, like weight loss for men over 40. The video title, what I was just showing you there, that should be at least 5 or 6 words long so it reads well and can get people to want to click and watch the video. The most important part of that title is to include your full keyword, if possible, in the title. It's got to sound somewhat intelligent, right? But preferably at the beginning, you could put that title in. You can see here that what I use for this one, I turn this into weight loss tips for men over 40, so it reads a little bit better than just weight loss for men over 40, but either way is probably fine. Your video description is very important for YouTube and Google to not only determine what your video is about, but also to get people to click through and visit your website. Now, the description is a big part at the bottom. I'll show you again in a second. There's 4 key elements you should focus on there. Number 1, put the link to your site or your affiliate link at the very top of the description so you're going to maximize your CTR, what we call your click-through rate, number of people clicking. Number 2, make sure your keyword is in the first 25 words in the description. When the search engines read your description, they assume what you put first is the most important thing. Your keyword is the most important thing, so put it first. Number 3, write a description of at least 250 words. A lot of people miss out on this. They write really short descriptions. Longer is actually better because it looks like you've got more important things to say than somebody that just says, cool sports video. And number 4, use your keyword in that description 3 or 4 times. Spread it out a little bit. Don't go overboard. That's plenty to let them know this is really what it's all about. So you can see the description here. What's written in the top, visit yoursite.com to get your free personalized plan, or it could be to get more information or to get a free report or get something else, whatever you want to give away, whatever enticement you have for people to visit your site. And then underneath that, you can see we've got the description written out. Just put it all in there. You can write this ahead of time, copy and paste it in. Very, very simple. Then you also are going to want to do this. You want to enter your keywords and related words and phrases to your keywords as tags. And we're going to do this for 2 reasons. Number 1, the first reason is that this will further help YouTube and Google identify what your video is about. But really, the second reason, probably the most important, is these tags are going to help your video get listed in the related videos list that's shown after someone finishes watching one of those billions of videos each day. If your video's tags are similar to the video someone just watched, your video can be featured for the person to watch next. Now, here's what that means. You see on the left, a normal YouTube video. On the right, you can see there's a list of videos. YouTube has supplied this list. The visitor is just sitting there. And now YouTube is saying, look, up next, if you don't even touch anything, when the video you're watching finishes, they'll actually go to the next video and show that video. It would get viewed automatically. Underneath that's an ad. And then below that, there are more videos that they're suggesting that you might be interested in because you're watching the current video. These guys are getting free video views, sometimes tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of free video views because of this related video list that YouTube is showing. Now, a smart tactic is to search YouTube for the most viewed videos related to your niche and keywords. Look at their tags and use similar words in your tags because YouTube is going to match them up. Now, to find out what tags are used on a video, go to the video on YouTube, the actual video page on YouTube. You won't see the tags listed there. I know this seems like a trick thing, but they're hidden. You have to view the source code of the page. And when you do, you can search that to find literally the actual word keywords, that term, because that'll show you a section that looks like this: keywords, content, and then you're going to see all the terms listed out that video has tags. In this case, golf, golf swing, golf tip, golf tips. Like I said, you're going to see all those keywords that are used as tags for that video. You're going to use those terms and similar terms as the tags on your video to help you get the best ranking and the most referral listings. So this is where all those tags are. You just type them in One at a time, hit weight loss, hit enter. Weight loss for men over 40, hit enter. If you mess something up, just click the X and it'll get rid of that tag and you're all good to go. So that covers the basics of getting your video online and ready to get traffic. So here are some advanced tips to help you rank faster and higher, especially for more competitive keywords. The most important strategy is to get real people to watch your video so YouTube sees your video views going up. That's a big clue to YouTube that you've got a good video. Perhaps the best way to get the most interested people to watch your video and click through to your site or affiliate link is to go right to where people are looking for the information you provide. If you've watched our other videos, and if not, you should, you know that would be the forums, the blogs, and the Q&A sites like Yahoo Answers, where people are asking questions. They're looking for information and otherwise discussing your topic. Simply respond to the questions, the comments in the post with helpful information, and refer them to the YouTube video to get further information. Where possible, it's even better if you can embed your video. Now, this is really, really simple to do. If you look at the YouTube video, right underneath, you can see a little line of text called the embed code. It'll tell you that on YouTube. You copy and paste it wherever you want the YouTube video to show up. Because you're targeting exactly the people who really would be interested in your video, the views you get are going to be really valuable to you, and they're likely to watch the entire video. That's another thing that YouTube loves. When people watch the video all the way through, YouTube says, wow, this is really targeted, this is really good, and obviously the video is valuable enough people watch the whole video. Plus, besides all that, you're getting valuable backlinks from all these blogs and forum and Q&A sites. They're pointing directly to your video. This is clues to Google that your video is valuable, so that's going to help your video rank well in Google as well. If you have a blog, you should write a blog post and embed the video in that post, and of course, then your blog visitors are going to see the video and watch that. You could also write a guest post on other blogs and embed the video in there as well. There's a lot of bloggers that need content or they want other people to write content for them. So you could write a short post for somebody else's blog and embed your video right in their blog as well, or link to your video, either way. If it fits for you, you can post a link to the video to Facebook, Twitter, your other social media sites, and ask your friends to watch the video, and especially, of course, watch it all the way through. If you follow these steps and you post videos on a consistent basis, even once a week, you'll see your video views climb quickly. More importantly, you'll bring in super targeted traffic to your site, your affiliate link, your e-commerce store, your opt-in page, or whatever else you want to promote.